food. Okay. Yes. Okay. So today we are going to start with a new topic. Okay. Yes. Very good, children. I got it. Thank you. Okay. So we are going to start with the next new lesson, which is delicious food. Okay. So what do you mean by delicious food? If you like to eat something which you're which is not, yes, if it is not tasty, we don't feel like eating.
Yummy food.
Okay, so whatever we eat, only if it is tasty or yummy, only then we eat. Right? Okay, now here, can you see the picture, children? Can you see the
Chopu emo manish. Idli.
Idli. Dosa.
This is not dosa, this is roti. Okay, and the third one, it looks like a rice bath or some mixed rice. Then you have yes, okay.
Masala dosa.
You like dosa?
Masala dosa.
Masala dosa you like, very good. Then yes, what is this? Ragi
Jamun.
very good. Egg, very good. Then you have looks like some vegetable, okay, or sprouts, something made out of sprouts. And then you have bread. Then you have yes, okay. So in this, you like puri? Yes, very good. Okay, so these are some of the delicious food that is given on this page. Okay, if you have noticed on this page, there are two types of food as well. Okay, there are two types of food. What are they? What are they? They are vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food, right? Okay, there are two types of food. You found which were all made up of vegetables, and then you also found that was made up of meat. Okay, like fish, and then you had egg. All these and all will come under non-vegetarian food. Yes. Okay. People who eat who are called as vegetarians. People who eat only vegetables and greens are called as vegetarians. Okay, people who do not eat meat, they don't like meat. Okay, those people are called as vegetarians. Okay, they will not eat non-vegetarian food. While non-vegetarian people, they eat along with vegetables and everything. They also take in meat, fish, okay, fish, egg, all these also they will take. That is called, those people are called as non-vegetarians. Okay, so what are the two different types of people here? You find vegetarians, and then the others are called as non-vegetarians. Okay, vegetarian people, they eat only vegetables, the ones which are most of the time they like to eat green leaves as well. Okay, so here vegetarians are called, vegetarian people are called as people who eat only vegetables. Okay, while non-vegetarian people, they also take in meat, fish, egg. Some of them they eat pork, right? Okay, those people are called as non-vegetarians. Okay, so delicious food. If the food is not yummy, will we feel like eating, children? Will we feel like eating if the food is not nice?
No, ma'am.
We don't like
No, ma'am.
Now, who can give me two examples of vegetarian food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, give me two examples.
No, ma'am.
पूछ
Full of ice, ma'am.
I can't understand what you are saying.
पूरी
Puri. Vegetable
Puri.
fries.
And then
Rice.
rice. Very good. Rice. Then you have vegetables come under vegetarians. Okay. Can you all give me 2 examples of non-vegetarian food?
Kebab.
Very good. Very good.
Fish fry, chicken fry, ma'am. Egg rice, ma'am. Chicken fry, ma'am.
Rice. Very good. Fish fry, egg rice, kebab, egg, all these and all comes under non-vegetarian food. Okay. Now in your textbook, you also have some more food items that is given here. Okay. Can you all name which is the first one? Can you all identify which food? Very good.
Milk, mama.
Very good. Milk.
Banana, restaurant. Do you want tomato.
I will tell you all the vegetables vegetables that are shown here. Okay. So this is called as radish. Then you have tomato. Then you have fish.
Fish.
Please do not unmute. Okay. Okay. Then you have honey. After honey, you have grapes. Okay, this is grapes. Then this is curd. Okay. And then you have potato. Most of us like French fries, right? What is French fries made out of? Potatoes. Okay. And then you have onion. Then you have carrot. Then you have ragi. Okay, ragi is used for making ragi malt or ragi mudde, that is ragi ball. All this is made up of ragi. Okay, and then you have wheat. So what do we use wheat? We grind it and then we use it for making chapati or rotis. Okay, and then you have, what is this? This is a
Papaya.
papaya. Very good. It is a fruit. Then you have egg. Right? Okay.
Idli, mama.
Okay.
broccoli.
Okay, did you see the pictures clearly, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in this one, which one do you all like very much?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one do you like very much? Do you all like to eat rice?
Which one, ma'am?
You like to drink milk. Very good. Then
Papaya, ma'am. Milk and corn and banana, ma'am. Ragi, papaya.
Yes, very good. Yes. Okay, so there are so many different types of food, but each person's taste also differs, right? Okay, some of us like to eat rice with sambar or rice with some curry. Then some of us like to have corn. You have sweet corn, you have butter, right? Then most of us like to drink milk. Okay, and then banana is very good for health. Okay, you should have fruits, fresh fruits and vegetables, very important to be healthy. And then you have meat. Meat is not taken or eaten by right? Everyone. Okay, some people are vegetarians who would not prefer meat. Okay, they do not like meat, but there are some of us who do not who like to eat meat. Some of them they like to eat meat every day. Some of them at least once a week they like to eat. Then you have radish. Radish also is a very good vegetables. Okay, and then you have tomato. The mommy uses tomato for all the curries that she makes for you, all right? Okay, and then you have fish. Then you have honey. How many of you like honey?
Honey, they like one, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, and
Ma'am, I like honey, ma'am.
yes, very good. Ma'am. Okay, then you have grapes. Grapes also is a fruit.
I like green grapes, ma'am.
Yes.
I like grapes, ma'am.
Yes, then you have curd. Okay, then you have curd. Potato. Who likes potato here? Who likes potato? Nobody.
Eggsy potato.
Who likes French fries? When you'll go to-
Eggsy ma'am. I like.
Yes.
I like ma'am. I like
Many children and
ma'am.
parents.
Thank you, potato.
French fries are made from potato. Okay, and then onion. Onion also is a vegetable which your mummy uses every day to make some curry or the other. Okay, carrot. Carrot is very good for your health, right? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
then you have ragi, and then you have wheat to make you wheat for making parties. Okay, and then you have I'm sorry, and then you have green leaves. Okay, now out of these, except for
I like potato, ma'am.
yes, very good, Arul. Okay, except for meat, fish,
Potato, ma'am.
yes. Okay, now except egg, the rest of the food is called as vegetarian food. Okay, and this one is taken by everyone. Vegetarian food is taken by everyone, even the non-vegetarians, and we also consume vegetarian food. Okay, but meat, fish, and eggs are consumed only by non-vegetarians. Okay, this food, these foods are not taken or are not taken by vegetarian people. Okay, now I'll show you some pictures from your activity book. Now, before that, what do you all eat for breakfast? For breakfast, what do you all eat? We have
Idli, ma'am.
very good.
Pongli, ma'am. Puri. Dosa, ma'am.
Yes.
What?
Puri,
Dosa, ma'am.
yes, these are
Parota, ma'am.
breakfast food. Okay, during breakfast, can you eat rice and sambar? You cannot have rice and sambar. Rice and sambar, you generally have it for lunch. Okay, but
Bye. Rice, ma'am.
dosa,
And chutney. Rice, ma'am. Carrot, ma'am.
yes, okay. And then what do you eat for lunch? Lunch, generally, it is a little heavy, right? Okay, we have rice and sambar. On Sundays, we have biryani, right? It can be chicken or mutton biryani, yes. Okay, and then for yes, okay, and then for dinner, what do we have? Again, dinner has to be a little light so that it is easy for digestion, right? Okay, so you can have dosa or idli, something which will digest fast before you go to.
Ma'am, I ate biryani, ma'am.
Very good, Arun. Okay, and then make sure that you all eat at least 1/2 an hour before you go to sleep. At least minimum half an hour you should have finished before you go to sleep. Do not eat and immediately go to sleep. It is bad for your health. Okay. Okay, children. Now, can you all identify? Okay, you need to identify each food item. Select the names from the key and copy. Okay, I will be sending you a picture of this page as well. Okay. Now the first picture, can you tell which
Butter, ma'am.
first?
Idli.
Very
Idli,
good.
ma'am.
Second one. Second one. What is this? Second okay.
Roti, ma'am.
Yes.
Rice, ma'am.
Rice. And then can you tell me what is this?
Chapati, ma'am. Chapati, ma'am. Veg, ma'am. Bread, ma'am. Mutton, ma'am. Chapati, ma'am. Chutney. Dosa, ma'am. Samosa. Chapati, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. These are delicious food items. Okay. Delicious food items. Okay.
Rice is breaking, ma'am.
Yes, that is because many of see, I'm
Rice is breaking.
now. Okay. Now you will not be able to unmute yourself. Okay, so kindly listen. Okay, in today's class, you're learning about delicious food. Okay, what is delicious food? Any food which is tasty and yummy to eat is called as delicious food. Delicious food are also healthy for us to eat, but remember, everything that looks delicious may not be healthy for us. Okay, like pizza. Pizza looks really yummy and very tempting, right? But then if you're going to consume pizza every day or very frequently, it is not good for your health. Okay, once in a while it is fine, but not every time. Okay, it is very bad for health. Same thing goes even with Maggie. As much as possible, avoid eating Maggie. Maggie also is not good for health. It is a junk food. Okay, delicious food includes fresh fruits and vegetables and food that is prepared by your mother. That is more yummy and tasty than buying food from outside. Okay, and in this you also learned about vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food. What are vegetarian food? Vegetarian foods are basically your vegetables and fruits. Okay, those are called as vegetarian food. What are non-vegetarian food? Non-vegetarian food includes meat, meat, fish, egg, all these and all will come under non-vegetarian food. Okay, the same way, based on the food habits, people are also classified into two different types. What are they? Vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Okay, people who consume only fruits and vegetables are called as vegetarians, but people who consume along with fruits and vegetables, people who eat meat are known as non-vegetarians. Okay, is that clear, children? Okay, yes. Now, do you all have any doubt in what we did today? Do you all have?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, please do not unmute yourself. Okay. Your exam, your FA1 test will be beginning soon. Okay, so today I'll be sending you along with portions. I'll send you even the screenshots of all the notes that I've given you so far, along with the textbook pages also, since you still have not received your textbooks, right? And in your EVS, I will be sending you the screenshots of your EVS activity book as well. Okay, and please do remember your textbooks should be coming. We should be receiving probably by end of this month, by end of August. So once the books come, we will let you all know. Okay, but till then, we will be sending you the screenshots from the textbooks that we have. Okay, so make sure that you all are studying every day. Do not waste your time. Is that clear, children? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now let me take the
Okay, sir.
today's class.